Hello, I am Dr. Navneet Haror from Dr. Haror's Wellness. Today I want to talk to you about a journey many of our patients embark on, hair transplant surgery. It's a transformative process restoring not just hair but confidence and self-esteem. During a hair transplant, our skilled surgeons meticulously relocate healthy hair follicles to areas affected by hair loss. It's a meticulous procedure and the results can be truly life-changing. But the journey doesn't end in the operating room. It continues through the crucial phase of recovery and mental wellness. You see, the recovery period after a hair transplant is as much about mental wellness as it is about physical healing. Patients often experience a mix of emotion, excitement, impatience, and sometimes anxiety. It's essential to address these feelings for a holistic healing process. Firstly, it's vital to acknowledge your feelings. It's normal to want immediate results, but remember, healing takes time. Practice patience and self-compassion. Engage in relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. These practices not only calm the mind, but also promote physical healing. Connecting with others who have gone through similar experiences can be incredibly empowering. Support groups provide a safe space to share concerns and celebrate progress. Additionally, talking to a mental health professional can provide valuable coping strategies tailored to your emotional needs. Physical activity is another powerful tool for mental wellness. Exercise releases endorphins, reducing stress and anxiety. Of course, consult with us about the appropriate timeline for resuming your regular activities post-surgery. But staying active in a way that's suitable for your recovery can do wonders for your mental well-being. Remember, the journey to recovery is not just about regrowing hair. It's about regaining your confidence and embracing a positive self-image. We have witnessed incredible transformations in our patients, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. At Dr. Haror's Wellness, we understand the significance of mental wellness in the recovery process. We are here to support you every step of the way, providing not just medical expertise, but also emotional support. Your well-being is our priority, and we are committed to ensuring you have a positive and empowering experience. If you are considering a hair transplant, or if you are currently in the recovery phase, please don't hesitate to reach out. Together, we'll navigate this journey and you will emerge not only with a fuller head of hair, but also with renewed confidence and mental wellness. Thank you for trusting us with your transformative journey.